Everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So put your hand on the white sheet like this and then draw the lines. Now we will draw its eyes and color its beak like this. So here we are making a duck and it's ready. Next, we will take the green color on the fingertips and put the fingerprints dot like this on the white sheet. Here we are making a cactus tree. Now draw the black dots over it like this using the black marker. Now we will make some dots like this. After that, we will make a flower vase under it. Make some flowers on the top of the cactus tree like this using pink color marker. And your cactus tree is ready. Next, take a white sheet and then put the black color lines like this using the marker or the color like this to make the branches. Now using the fingertips, we will put the dots and make the flowers over it like this. Now decorate it by putting some black dots over it like this and give it a finishing touch and it's ready. Next, draw the branches of the tree using the brown color marker like this and make the branches. After it is done, we will make the flowers over it like this. So put the green color leaves using green color marker, draw it properly. Now put the flowers under it using blue color paper. Now draw the dots like this, give it a finishing touch, apply the glue and then take a paper and fold it and crumple it like this to make the flowers, put it over it like this and it's ready. Fill it using any different color of your choice, otherwise it's done. Next, take a yellow color sheet, cut it like this and fold it and paste it over the sheet. Now make its beak, draw its eyes. Now make a crown on the top, make its legs. Now take a blue color paper and make their fence like this on the back and it's ready. Next, take the cuttings like this and then paste it on the blue sheet. Paste them in the same manner as shown in the video and your duck is ready. Next, take a leaf and paste it on the sheets like this as shown in the video. Now make its eyes, draw its legs like this. After that, fix it properly and it's ready. Next, take a leaf, cut it and paste it on the sheets like this. Now here we are making a girl. Now draw its legs using the sticks like this. Now make its hands and it's ready. Thanks for watching.